Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Today I am doing a take on another video that I did. I did another video where I did a grenade pour with a grenade in each four corners and let them kind of come together in the center and then tilted them out. So I wanted to do another piece like that, but I was going to do like a wandering straight ring pour, kind of doing a wandering pour, and then at the end kind of getting it off into a ring. But then what I wanted to do is put another puddle in the center. So basically I would have 5 puddles, then tilt them out. And it just didn't go well. So I ended up converting over to just a straight ring pour, which I'm absolutely in love with the piece. So I don't know what's happening with me in the studio the last week. These paintings are just the first. I have these ideas in my head and they're just not panning out. I don't know if I'm layering my cups wrong. I don't know if I'm tilting wrong. I don't know if my idea is just not the correct idea in my brain. So yeah, I'm repouring a lot of my paintings. And so what's happening is I'm getting a lot of table scraps. So I get to reuse those at least. So anyways, I love this piece. It came out great. I'm excited for you to see it. I love the colors. So I'll get you down on the canvas. We'll talk about the canvas size and the colors, and then we'll go through the whole thing. All right, I will be right back. So what I've got today is a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. I got it taped and push pinned in the back. Maybe I should have tried to do this on a larger canvas, but a 24 by 24 is pretty large. So what I'm going to have to do is do 5 cups of 4 ounces of paint, which 4 ounces of paint is not a lot in a cup. So you know me, I tend to overfill. So we'll see how this goes. Colors I'm using today, I'm using Amsterdam in the greenish blue. I'm using a mix of Deco Arts in the pearl, mixed with a little bit of pearl blue from Amsterdam. Using Pebeo in the iridescent copper. Amsterdam in the Dyke Brown. 24 karat gold in the Deco Art Metallics. I'm using Creative Inspirations in a dioxazine violet. And then I had some leftover Naples yellow and a little leftover satin enamels white. So this is kind of a mixture of the two. And I've also got a plum color that was from leftover in my table scrapes. So table scraps. All my paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium. So what I do is I put 2 ounces of gloss medium to 1 ounce of paint and then fill it up with Floetrol, and that's my consistency. And then I also have Creative Inspirations in the titanium white, and that is Floetrol. A little bit of Liquitex pouring medium, gloss medium, and some water just to thin it down just a tad. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is layer these cups. So I've put a line that's 4 ounces. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. There's no way I'm going to use that line, so I'm just going to pour. We'll see how this goes. Put a little bit of this eggplant color. Greenish blue. This pearl color with the pearl blue. Come in with some copper. I gotta say, copper and brown, 2 colors that scare me because I don't have a lot of experience using browns. Because what's our biggest worry when we're mixing paints? in layering paints. We don't want to create mud, and so mud is what color? Tends to be brown. So yeah, I think we as paint pourers tend to get a little worried about brown. All right, okay, that's not too bad. All right, let's do another one. I think I'm gonna go in the opposite direction this time. So I'm gonna start down here, and the goal is to come up to about right here with the paint. Not very even. That's okay. And because this one is going to be in the center, it can't be a wandering anything, so I'm going to just do a straight pour. Yeah. And so what I did with the grenade pour is, if I'm not mistaken, because I can't remember now, I poured white around for the flow extender. So we're going to do that again. let's get tilting. All right, well, keep it with the theme of repouring because that seems to be my life. I am going to repour this piece yet again. I'm gonna need 20 ounces of paint. I've got my beaker cup, which is 16 ounces, so I'm gonna fill it all the way up to the top. That should take me close to the 20 that I need. Should have enough paint to do this. We are going to do a ring pour. All right, let's torch this. First. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna touch up my corners, and then I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up. All right, here we go. I'll bring you in here for a close-up, starting up here in the top left.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
I really love this greenish blue, the brown and the copper. Everything's playing really well, so I'm very excited to see how this dries. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here's the dried result. I love this. I'm very happy with the greenish blue. I'm happy with that plum color. I'm really happy with the browns and the copper. The browns and the copper really scared me. So, you know, for a second pour, I'm very happy with how this came out. So, all right, I'll bring you in here for a close-up.
No matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
The temperature today, right now, currently is 3 degrees. I'm freezing my buns off out here, so I'm gonna wrap this up. You know what to do. If you like the piece, if you want it, let me know. You can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Also head over to my Etsy shop. You can see a lot of my pieces that are there. I'm uploading new pieces every week. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.